Another one. Okay, how do you want to name this one? Okay, how do you want to name it? Okay, let's pick the longest chain. Longest chain. Okay, can I go with this? Okay, yeah, we can go with this one. And again, this is different than that one. Why? Because you have methyl group there. Be careful. Okay, be careful about that one. Okay, so let's make 2 copies from it, and I'm gonna take that one, copy paste it to another page. So there. Okay, make 2 of them. Okay, should we start from left or right side? I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so you get 4, 5, and 7 in this case. Well, this one is going to give you 2, 4, and 5. So clearly, this one is going to be the correct answer. Okay, now what do we have? We have a methyl group there. And how about this? This is going to be isopropyl. And how about this? This is going to be tert butyl. Okay, how do I name them? Okay, how do I name them? I really want you to watch this one carefully. Okay, we said whenever we are dealing with tert, or like you said secondary, or say diet and the tetra, we said do not use them to alphabetize. Do not use them to alphabetize. So which one is going to be the first one that we need to use? In this case, we go with B. Okay, so I'm going to say on the 5th carbon, I have tert butyl. Okay, butyl. Next, on between methyl and the isopropyl, which one should I write first? The methyl, that start with M, or the isopropyl? You might say, go with the methyl because the P comes after M. You need to be careful when you write isopropyl. Iso will be part of the name, so you will include that one, and you're gonna say I will be the first one that we need to write. So we're gonna say 4 isopropyl. And then we're going to say 2 methyl. And how many carbons we have? We have 8 carbons, so it will be octane. And we're going to say octane. Okay. So we have the tert butyl. We said we do not include the tert, so don't judge based on the T letter. Ignore it. Okay. And that prefix, we're not going to use it. We go with the B. And B, it will be the first one we're going to use. So we say 5 tert butyl, and then between methyl and isopropyl, we will write the iso because of I. Okay, only for iso we use, use I. We include that one. That's going to be part of the name. So isopropyl will come before methyl. So then you say 4 isopropyl and then 2 methyl octane. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. So now what do I need to do? Okay, should I go with this one as the longest chain? Okay, and okay. Yeah, we can include this one. And next, okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So for the top one, what did I get? 2, 4, 5, and 7. And how about this? Again, 2, 4, 5, and 7. Very good. All of them are identical. We got exactly the same locator, same number. So now, how do you want to judge? Okay, how do you want to judge? Let's see. Okay, we have methyl. What else? We have tert butyl. Okay, that starts with B. Okay, what else? Again, on the top we have methyl. And this one is isopropyl. Okay, isopropyl. So it doesn't matter from which side you start, you get exactly the same number. Okay, which one I need to write first? Okay, which one I need to write first? I'm gonna start with the butyl. Butyl should be the first one. Methyl, don't say because I have 2 methyl, so I should say di. Okay, di, and di is gonna be before the isopropyl. Okay, please be careful about that one. Okay, go with this. Go with this. So we have 5 tert butyl. Next, okay, I will write the iso. Where is it? On the 4th carbon. Isopropyl. Next, on the 2nd, 7th, I have 2 carbons, 2 methyl. 2 and 7, I have 2 methyl. Dimethyl. Okay, please do not prioritize the dimethyl. okay, versus the isopropyl. Don't do it. Okay, you have to go with the methyl. Okay, M will come after the I. So isopropyl, it will be the first one that we need to write. And what else? Okay, 2 and 7, dimethyl. And then I need to say octane. Okay, octane. Give me. Okay, I hope this example, like this lecture video, had enough example to challenge your knowledge about how to name organic compound. Thank you very much. And as always, I will see you very soon.